Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy egg holder for Easter. So let's go ahead and get started. Over on designbundles.net, you can see there is a ton of these Easter egg holders to choose from animals to bunnies to gnomes to medical staff. You have nurses and doctors, you have princesses. This dinosaur is everything. So cute, especially like a birthday party or anything like that. The super cute fox. And hold on, let me keep scrolling. You're not gonna believe it. Look at the cute little hedgehog. So cute. I love it. This would be great to make for somebody's desk at the office or anything. Now, the one that we are making today is right up here at the top. So the file that we're going to be using today is this super cute duck, and it's only $2, and it's a very simple cut file. It's going to come with these 3 pieces, and they're already sized to where we need them, and I'll show you that right now over in Cricut Design Space. All right, so now that we're over in Cricut Design Space, I'm going to go ahead and hit Upload. Click on the design that we're going to be using and hit Insert Images. Now, the really cool thing about these, they are already sized to what you need. Now, unless you have a bigger egg or something that you're wanting to do, you may want to size it, but you can leave it the exact way that it was designed. So all of our pieces are here. If you want to click on these and go ahead and change those colors to whatever you would like them to be, you can definitely do that now. Just click on those individual from this side. If I decide I don't want to cut out these little pieces here, I can simply click on the eye or simply just delete it. So that is totally up to you which pieces you want to keep and which pieces you want to get rid of. So say for example, I want to cut this out, but I don't want this piece right here to cut out. So I would actually just click on it here. Click on Ungroup, click on the image, I would hit Contour, and at that point I could click on the tummy area, and there you go. So that's how you can get rid of those. So say I want to cut this whole design out, but I don't want these pieces, I could come in and delete those and just simply cut out the duck. So say for example you're a teacher and you want to cut these out so that way the students can glue them together, or you're working on a bulletin board, whatever it may be, you can definitely take those pieces away. All right, so let's go ahead and cut it out. Once you have your pieces cut out, you're going to need some sort of adhesive and a little Easter egg. So I'm going to go ahead and take these pieces and just glue everything together. It's just as simple as gluing down your eyes, your nose, and your feet. For the smaller pieces, I used some tweezers to apply the adhesive, and it just truly made it so much easier. And then for the rest of them, it's easy to just pick up and add adhesive. Now, I will say that the body and the bottom of this is with glitter cardstock, and the rest of it is regular cardstock. Now, applying the regular cardstock to the glitter is nothing. It's easy. Now, when it comes to applying glitter cardstock to glitter cardstock, it was a little bit more difficult. You guys can't see this here because obviously I edited it down. But applying this adhesive is totally fine, but definitely hold it a little bit longer. I would highly recommend using a hot glue gun just because you are using an Easter egg that's going to have some weight to it. Now I'm just going to proceed forward. It's really easy. You can see where it's just going to fold down, and you're just going to line everything up. So as you can see here, I'm trying another method, and I'm trying the adhesive like this. It definitely sticks and it has not came apart, but I definitely would recommend trying the hot glue gun. So I'm just going to add my egg in here. There's the first one, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the next one. So for the next one, this one is a little bit of a smaller egg, and I'm going to apply adhesive to the back of the glitter cardstock here and then stick the heads together, if that makes sense. And that's it. So there is our super cute project for the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.